Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank God, and especially who gave into this wonderful time to sing, to praise to Almighty God. So today I'm gonna sing a song which touched my heart. Which song is touched my heart, and it keeps me broken, and it gets me broken to relationship with God. So now I'm going to sing this song. This lyrics says, "Come to me and always worship to me and always pray to God." This kind of lyrics. So I hope you enjoy with this song. That's it. Angni jiuni bigama pwrbunwngkou jisu angni jiuni bigama pwrbunwngkou jisu baonw haya baonw haya baonw haya pwrbunwngkou baonw haya baonw haya baonw haya pwrbunwngkou bebuhumaव रावबो गैया आंखौ अनसायग्रा गैया रावबो आंखौ बासायग्रा बे बुहुमाव रावबो गैया आंखौ अनसायग्रा गैया रावबो आंखौ बासायग्रा बावनो हाया बावनो हाया बावनो हाया pwrbunwngkou. This song is the touch. Everyone can sing this song because this is the really touching song. It can be brings to worship, and it can be brings to near to God and presence to God. So this says baonw haya. This is called in English. We can tell that I cannot forget you. I cannot means differ from you. That's kind of. So we can say that whatever trouble and whatever problems will come in your spiritual life and in Christian life, so don't worry and don't give up to pray and worship. Anytime we should pray and God. Anytime you have to come presence to God. This kind of this release is says. Thank you to giving to this wonderful time this morning. I welcome this channel. This channel is not mine, and this channel is Brother Sitaranjan. I don't know this channel, the name of channel. Thank you to giving to this fabulous time. Thank you so much. Thank you.